Let's have a walk around our Hillman Avenger. It's been some time since I was in one of these cars. Used to travel in one all the time. A couple of my mates had one. So let's have a wee bit of a look around. What does it say? Avenger Tiger 1972. Again, this was a competitor for Ford. This would have been your Escort range, I suppose. And as you can see, this model has the tail spoiler. A bit of chrome there on the bumper. The alloy wheels. Not a bad looking motor at all. Good going old car in its time. Really like them. There was a little bit of grunt in it. Definitely was a good competitor for anything Ford had in that range. Let's get a look around this side. As you can see, the big Go Faster stripe with the Avenger Tiger logo on it. Yes. Again, a big thumbs up for that. It's a good looking car.